If you love shipping container homes, this amazing family home in Atlanta, Georgia will surely impress you. This beautiful house is built out of 8 shipping containers elevated on a concrete foundation that also serves as a basement to the house and a 2-car garage. If you move inside, you'll find this amazing house has got beautiful indoor finishing, and worth noting is the exposed corrugated container ceilings that brings in the industrial charm of shipping container architecture. This is a view of the living space. You will notice the exposed black painted steel beams and stanchions for structural support. All the internal container walls have been removed to create expansive open plan living spaces. This is a view of the kitchen. I love the white cabinetry, the big glass windows, and the amazing center island, big enough to serve as a breakfast counter for 2. This U-shaped kitchen is modern with stainless steel appliances, enough storage space, and beautiful kitchen backsplash. You'll appreciate the amount of lighting in this kitchen because of the big glass windows. Next to the kitchen is the open plan living area, which has got an intimate dining space big enough to seat 6 or more depending on the configuration. I also like the glass windows and the full height glass doors in this dining space. You will appreciate the additional storage space. I like the ceiling task lighting above the dining table and the additional storage in the dining area. The dining doors swing open onto a big outdoor living space, which is nicely furnished with rattan outdoor furniture to appreciate the view and soak in good weather. This beautiful outdoor space is well designed and proportioned to complement the indoor living spaces. This is a view of the laundry area. It is also well lit and naturally ventilated. This is the staircase shaft connecting the 2 levels, or should I say the 3 levels of the house. A view of one of the bedrooms. The theme of well ventilated, well lit and white painted interiors is continued also in the bedroom spaces. You will appreciate the big glass windows and the direct access to the private outdoor living space. This is a view of the bedroom showing the bed area. We have the mini split system mounted on the wall to enhance indoor thermal comfort. This is a view of the bathroom, big enough with enough storage under the wash and basin, additional closet space, a freestanding tub, a bathroom mirror, well lit bathroom space with full height glass doors to enhance function. There's a glass shower cubicle on the extreme end, big enough befitting the status and the lifestyle offered by this amazing house. This is a view of the closet space with a lot of storage area. Nice shower cubicle right there. A view of another bedroom. You will appreciate the level of furnishing and the quality of finishes in these bedroom spaces is top-notch. Look at that view. Amazing spaces, beautiful bedroom space. Another bathroom area. You'll notice the bathroom is having big sized shower cubicles and they're fully tiled from wall to ceiling. It's a view of another bedroom in the house. Remember, this house has got 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, and it measures over 3,000 square feet. Look at the lighting. Look at the lighting in this bedroom. Amazing. Look at those full height glass doors and windows. That intimate outdoor living space is private. Look at the bathroom. A view of another bedroom. You'll appreciate the use of big glass windows and beautiful floor mats. Another view of the bedroom showing the big glass windows. Look at that bedroom. Good sized bedrooms and well finished. This is a view of the basement level of the house. You will notice there is a concrete polished floor finish and there's enough space to play. This is another bathroom. You'll notice those sliding garage doors, enough parking, and that gives you the general view of the house from the street. Look at those well manicured lawns. Amazing. That is the approach to the house, showing you the level of finishing both inside, as we've seen, and also on the outside. That concrete footpath, amazing space. What else would you ask for? So that shows the level that were executed during the construction stage of the house. That is the basement level, and the containers are placed on top. As I indicated, is a total of 8 shipping containers. You are able to see what we have for the floor plans. Those are the floor plans of the house, and that is the general view of the house from the street. What do you think about this amazing 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom, 3,000 square feet home? This beautiful house is on the market, listed for $799,000. Give us your opinion about this amazing house by posting in the comment section below. If your dream is to build yourself a shipping container home and you have no idea where to begin from, worry not. We have put together the best shipping container home building guide on the market. This amazing guide is comprising of over 300 pages, structured into 14 detailed chapters covering everything you need to know and understand about shipping containers, from inspection, purchase, modification, insulation, finishing, and even it goes ahead to give you free case studies of the best shipping container getaway in the Caribbean, plus a free floor plan of one of the most popular container home designs by Shelter Mode. The reception from our followers and our supporters has been amazing. Thank you for purchasing this amazing guide by downloading your e-copy or your audio copy from our website. You can also get yourself a hard copy on Amazon. For those who have gotten a chance to grab and put their hands on this amazing guide, support the reach of this amazing book by giving us a positive review on Amazon using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.